Namaste, I'm Sidha Sankalp. Now we are in Kottapa Konda, which is in a Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh. The nearest city to Kottapa Konda is Guntur, which is 61 kilometers away and takes 1 hour 20 minutes to reach. And the some major cities are Vijayawada, which is 101 kilometers away and takes 2 hours to reach. The next is Chennai, which is 394 kilometers and takes 7 hours to reach. And the next is Hyderabad, which is 268 kilometers and takes 5 hours 6 minutes to reach. The main deity here is Trikoteswara Swami. The reason behind the name Trikotaya is the Trimurti, who are Brahma, Vishnu and Rudra, came here and did penance. That's the reason this place is known as Trikota. And you can see those 3 peaks in any direction. The main deity here is Trikoteswara Swami. Here, Dakshinamurti Swami is in the form of Lingam. The first story which is associated with this place is about a Shiva Bhakta who is Salankaya. Salankaya is a Shiva Bhakta who used to reside near Kottapa Konda. His occupation was grazing of animals. He loves and respects Shiva Bhaktas. Once a Shiva Bhakta came to him and asked him that he can live in his house for a few days, and he accepted him. Salankaya was very happy as the man who resides in his house was a Shiva Bhakta. Salankaya was too happy as he is doing seva to a Shiva Bhakta. After a few months, when Salankaya went out for a work and returned, the Bhakta wasn't in his house. He thought that he would go out for a reason, but the Bhakta didn't return. By this, Salankaya becomes sad and searches for him. Then Lord Shiva appeared and merged Salankaya into him. second story is about a Gollabama, Anandavalli. In her childhood, their parents used to take cow milk, give her, and says to give it to the Lord and come. This became a routine for her when she grew up. Once, when she was going to the temple with the tumbler of milk, a crow came and pushed the milk, which resulted in spilling. By this, Anandavalli gets sad and angry at once and curses that any crows are not allowed to come on this peak. Till today, there are no crows visible on this peak. Even though Anandavalli was pregnant, she climbed the peak and gave milk to the god. By her bhakti, Lord Shiva was very pleased and told her that he will come with her, but kept a condition that she should not turn back. Hearing this, she accepts and goes down. As she was continuing, she heard sounds of musical instruments, by which she turned around, resulting stopping of Shiva there. But Anandavalli does not accept and tell Lord Shiva that if he does not come down, then she will also not go down. By seeing her pure love and bhakti towards him, Lord Shiva merges Anandavalli to himself. This place is current temple spot, and the old one is known as Adi Trikoteswara Swami Sannidhi. There is a temple of Anandavalli Amma about 70 meters from Shiva temple. There is a specialty in this kshetra. There is no alayam dedicated to Amman because the main deity here is Dakshinamurti.